best view of the city you can see behind me. We are right now on the rooftop of Herodion Hotel where we are staying, and you can see behind me. I am so excited. After seeing the Acropolis from the top roof, now we are going to see it in person, and this is going to be so exciting. The weather is great, everything is great. I'm so happy. When you are walking in Athens and in Acropolis specifically, you feel that you are going through the history, and actually it reminds you the movies you watched before, and actually you can sit there and you can just imagine yourself in the history. It's so amazing. Oh my god, it's so busy. I don't know how we can just visit that. It's like so crowded. Maybe we should have come earlier. We had to take our microphone off because they didn't let us to put the microphone on top of our camera. I don't know the reason.
Look too professional.
I think it looked too professional because they were saying that you are so professional. Yeah, we are professional, but not the way that they meant. We just took a walk from Acropolis to Roman Agora actually, and this is another ruin, ancient historical attraction in Athens. impressive, isn't it? It's really impressive. This place reminds me Turkey. It looks like Istanbul a bit, but it's so beautiful. These streets are so cute and cozy. I love this place. Athens, you have my heart. And finally, if you watch the previous video, you see that wherever I go, I bring the clouds with me and rain. But this time, I have a clear sky and sunny day. I love you, Athens. Right now we are in the south of Athens. Usually you see downtown of Athens is so busy, crowded with tourists, but this part is so peaceful, it's so quiet, and it's so enjoyable. This lake behind me has a really amazing story. Apparently this is the deepest lake in the Europe. Apparently no one knows how deep this lake is, and it's a hot spring, and every time of the year you can go and swim there, according to her.
No.
Her. Yes, she said her. According to her.
Yeah, this is the best lake in the world, so of course. I don't say that the lake is not. The cave is one of the deepest, with 800 meters length and one of the oldest, one of the longest in Europe.
Yeah,
the cave
underwater.
There are 14 tunnels in total that make up the cave, and one of them is 800 meters deep, and it's one of the longest in the world.
Yeah, it's not the deepest one then. It was crystal.
I didn't say the deepest.
It's all your fault.
I didn't say the deepest.
Yeah, it's all your fault. Yeah, actually, it's Mansoureh said that.
Mansoureh said it. I thought it on your own.
Okay, I got it. We made it here before the sun setting down, and we wanted to watch the sunset here next to this temple.
What's the name of the temple?
I don't know. Todd, what is the name of?
Poseidon Temple.
Temple of Poseidon?
Yeah, whatever they said. Yeah, it's so beautiful. I mean, having the temple, ruined temple behind me, and in front of me the sun is setting down, and the view of the sea, blue sea, and it's just so amazing. to eat. I'm so hungry. I can't wait to eat. And this restaurant is next to the beach with a great view. We are going to eat. I'm going to end the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and push down the button below and subscribe.